the story is that she was a professor in of zoology in Ferguson College, and they would hire her in June, July, and she would be let on a contract base, and then April to June she would have no employment.
Okay.
So that she doesn't have to be made permanent, something like that was there. So she would have vacations from April to June, basically.
Okay.
So my father was very interested in, and is still interested in, buying property, and you should have some assets, that type. So at that time he was working with Ruston, and he got to know that MIDC is coming, has built some sheds, and MIDC was after people to come and buy the sheds.
Okay.
Means there were no takers at that time.
मतलब MIDC खुद फैक्ट्री
कंस्ट्रक्ट किए थे शेड्स, एंड कोई खरीदने वाला नहीं था. दैट वाज द कंडीशन एट दैट टाइम. सो माय फादर ही मेड अ प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट एंड ऑल एंड गेव इट, एंड ही बॉट द शेड. तो 1 साल तक देयर वाज नथिंग हैपनिंग. शेड था, बस इतना ही. फिर आफ्टर अ ईयर MIDC realized people are now wanting to buy the sheds, and there are people who have bought the shed and have not done anything. So they got after कि अभी लिया है तो कुछ करना है,
अदरवाइज वापस दो.
हाँ, या तो फिर वापस कर दो. So then what to do? So then we had some relative who had one extruder. So he said मैं मेरा extruder लगा देता हूँ वहाँ पे, आप I will give you some money and मैं फैक्ट्री चलाता हूँ. सो माई फादर एंड मदर सेड ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट अप्रैल व्हेन शी हैड हर वेकेशंस, शी वेंट देयर. ताला था, आजू बाजू में पूछ लिया क्या हुआ, किधर है ये. दे सेड ही डजंट कम, ही इज़ नेवर देयर. मशीन तो चलता देखा नहीं कभी. तो एट दैट टाइम यूनियन कार्बाइड वॉज द सप्लायर ऑफ रॉ मटीरियल.
Yes.
And there was a quota system, and they would give some 100 kgs of material. You can imagine 100 kgs of material तो अपना 1 घंटे में ख़त्म हो जाता है मशीन में.
Exactly.
So but they used to give some 100 kgs of material or something on quota system, and this person would sell it in the black market और अपना पैसा बना लेता था. But he was not running the industry.